A person makes the best wudu but wastes a lot of water. He prays all of his prayers on time but has no khushu. He gives a lot of sadaqah to the poor but humiliates and hurts them. He is following the sunnah and has a beard but doesn't lower his gaze. He fasts and has sabr to bear hunger and thirst, but he swears, insults and curses. He is very kind to people and speaks with them gently, but with his family he is always harsh. He stands up for tahajjud at night, fasts, reads Quran every day and obeys his Lord, but he cuts his family ties. He honors and treats his guests well, but when they leave he gossips about them and talks about their flaws. He helps others, but he's doing it to gain something from them and not doing those acts of kindness for Allah's sake. He posts reminders and has thousands of followers on social media, but he's doing it for the fame and not to please Allah. Do not gather all of your good deeds in a leaking bucket. You struggle to fill it, whilst the water easily runs out through the leaking holes. May Allah guide us to the right path in doing good deeds to please Him alone.